Hello and welcome to another PEPS OptiCam Classic video. In this video we will be using the Edit Attributes function. The Edit Attribute function allows you to edit your different attributes on your drawing as well as put items and figures on separate layers. I'll go ahead and start by clicking on Edit Attributes, which can be found under your Modify menu. And here, the first thing I'll do here is change the color of my lines. I'll go ahead and check on color and then select the color of the that I want to change the lines to. So here, I also have a few options at the bottom if these lines and arcs are already made into a profile figure. I'll need to check these on. These, for now, are just lines and arcs, so I do not need to check on Modify Figure Insert. So I'll go ahead and click on my Select button and then highlight or select my items that I want to change color. And then click in Command. So you can see now my lines have changed from black to yellow. Next, I'll go ahead and put this on a separate layer. I'll go ahead and click on Layer, and then I'll also give it a layer name. So I'll put on here lines and arcs, and then once again click on my Select button and then highlight the items that I want to put on that layer. So once again click in Command and then Done. Now I have changed the color of my lines and arcs as well as put all of this on a separate layer. So if I wanted to hide that layer, I can go to my layer maintenance by double clicking the bottom here and then highlight the layer and then tell it to hide. Hopefully this is a useful video for you. Hopefully this also explains how to use the Edit Attributes function. Thank you. For more information, please email us at support@OPTISOLUTIONSUSA.com.